Hello, I'm wondering if the RSS feed is dead. Because nowadays, I find it very rare when somebody talks about RSS feed or mention it or anything. And I want to give you two examples of two all-in-one digital marketing platforms. So the first one is Builderall, the second one is System.io. And both have a blog system. For me, who is quite old in internet, a blog has RSS feed. There cannot be a blog without RSS feed. They are linked together. In System.io, they have a blog system for over 2 years now. And when they released it, I said, oh, well, there is no RSS feed, so it's not a blog. Could I please have a RSS feed with it? And they never did it. One day, uh, maybe 1 year later, they did a sitemap, the sitemap for search engines. And the owner tagged me in Facebook and said, well, are you happy now? You have a sitemap. But sitemap has nothing to do with RSS. So I said, no, I'm not happy. I would like a RSS feed. And 1 year and more later, still no RSS feed. And what I found is that in the Facebook group of System.io, there is more than 50,000 people. And they never mention RSS feed. When I say never, it's maybe one or two each year mention it. The answer is nothing or no, and that's it. They don't insist on it. So it's like nobody cares. The same story for Builderall. Builderall is a big company. They have a blog themselves. They have a blog, and they have about 50,000 customers. And it's the same. Nobody cares about it. So they have RSS feed. And the problem with it is that it is invalid. So it means it doesn't work. If you want to look at it now, we are in 2022, you will see that it's crap, totally crap. Well, look at this. The link is not even a real link. It's not correct. It's their own official blog. And even here, you have a mistake. Anyway, I don't want to blame them. I just want to point it out that they have a blog for a long time now, and it's always buggy, the RSS feed. And me, I don't care. I'm not working at Builderall, so I will not fix it for them. But over 2 months ago, I wanted to use this RSS feed from their official blog in order to promote it as an affiliate, use the content they provide on the blog, and so using the RSS feed as a source and add my affiliate link and promote it on social media automatically. But without a valid RSS feed, I cannot do that. So I asked them, and I told them exactly what are the mistakes to fix for this RSS feed, and it will be very easy. Myself, I can do it in 5 to 10 minutes because everything is done already. They have the RSS feed, but it's invalid, it's broken. So they just need to fix what is broken. It's easy fix. And I gave them all the things that they need to fix in order for it to be valid and to work. And it's been over 2 months. I nagged them for several times. I even contacted the number two of the company, and she has made a document for the developers to details exactly what they need to do, and still now it's not fixed. So I think they will fix it, but the reality is that nobody cares about it. In the group, as I said, they have 50,000 users. Some of them are making blogs for themselves. They have a RSS feed, but it's not working. But maybe they don't know about it because they don't use it themselves. They don't use it to promote their own articles. So that's why I think RSS is dead. Even if it's here on Builderall, but it was always broken. Nobody used it and nobody asked for it. When I ask for it, it takes 2 months and it's still not fixed. Nobody cares for it except me because I want to use it for this one. For System.io, it was the same. They have a blog themselves for System.io. So I could use this also to promote System.io as an affiliate by using their content. Well, and what about the customers themselves who have a blog on System.io but no RSS feed? It doesn't seem to bother anybody, so they don't know about it because maybe the blogs are kind of dead. Even WordPress, they have RSS feed per default, and it's working, it's valid. But the people who use WordPress, maybe they don't use the RSS feed. Nobody use it to get updates about different blogs. Like before, there were applications to put your RSS feeds of the blogs you like and get notified when a blog posts a new article. Maybe people don't do that anymore. And so I think RSS is dead. So System.io, if you want it, just ask for it. And Builderall, it's already here, it's broken. They will fix it, I think, because I've been nagging them for 2 months. I think they will fix it, or if not, why have it? Why have this logo, RSS feed logo? So I think they will fix it eventually, but it will be only because of my efforts. Otherwise, nobody asks for it, so they don't do it. They don't care. They don't know it's broken because themselves they don't use it. Builderall doesn't use RSS feed. They made it. I don't know why, but they made it broken and nobody use it. So that's why I think RSS feed are dead, even if they can be so useful as a source of content for automatic tools such as Zapier. But it's dead. What do you think?